lovely people. How are you? Let me know down in the comments below, how is your day? Mine is doing good, and I don't know why I just sounded like that. But anyway, guys, I haven't done videos for about a week, so I'm definitely excited to make some videos for you guys. I am behind. I know it is March, but I have a few boxes that are in February. Some I'm not going to do because, you know, you guys already seen it, but some I really enjoy the boxes, so I want you guys to see it. So if you read from the title, this is the JOAH box. This is a K-beauty subscription. I did get this like literally the other day, so I don't know if this is February or March. I did not get February subscription, so I'm thinking that's what it is, but I literally got it like the last day of February. If you guys aren't aware, I had a passing in my family, so like I said, I'm a little behind in making things, but I definitely want to show you this because I truly enjoy this subscription. So this subscription is $33 a month. You're guaranteed to get between 5 and 7 things. It's more like a lifestyle. You get some like beauty products, some skincare, sometimes hair care, which I really enjoy that. And you can also get the box to try it out for a one-time fee, which is $35. Now I do have a discount code. I'll leave it down below. I believe it's ANN10, which saves you a little bit off your box. But K-beauty products are a little bit more expensive, and that's why it's $33 a month, and it does come from Korea. So without further ado, because you know I like to jibber jabber, let's open it up. Now it usually comes in a box, but this doesn't feel like a box, so it's a little bit different. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I didn't know they were changing it up, so maybe it's cheaper to send in bags. So how it looks like this. It's like for Christmas when your parents want to trick you and it's a big box and they put something in a smaller box and then a smaller box, and then when you open it up, it's like this small little thing. All right, let's see. All right, so we take it out of here. Then we have another one, which this looks like, you know, it ripped very easily. So it's nothing that, you know, you would be able to like really keep. But I do like it. All right, so let's get the card out. All right, so, okay, so this is the February box. It says love is in the box. So that's pretty cool. And then this usually tells you when you open it up. Usually it's a pamphlet, but this is like a paper card this month. And, or maybe it always came like this. I don't remember. So then it tells you what everything is. It tells you a little bit about each product and gives you the prices. So I do like that. I feel like there's like a piece of hair on me. All right. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I feel. And this is a premium mask pack for moisturizing aloe vera, which I love. Anything like hydrating. And let's see, how much is that? All right, so that would be $1.50. And it's just a sheet mask, you know. All right, the next thing, I don't know what this, okay, so this is a shampoo. All right, so this is $8. Let's see if you guys can see. It's from M British. Now we have got British M. We have got some products from this brand before, which I do like. So it says, from the Ethic product line of British M, we picked this eco-friendly shampoo, including 10 naturally derived ingredients. Gentle cleanses, nourishes, and balances the scalp and hair. Ideal for everyday use of all hair types. All right, so shampoo, you know. Let's open her up. All right, so it looks just like that, and it's just shampoo. Let's see what the scent is. It's all right. It's not really strong. You know, I never hold these products up long enough, let's say. So let me just hold it up so you guys can see. I got to get used to doing that. I get so excited that I take it away very quickly, and you don't get a chance to, like, really see what it looks like. All right. The next thing is this jelly mist. Mask boosting jelly mist. All right, so this is jelly. Let's see. Let's show you what that is. Let's read up about that because I have no idea what the heck a jelly mist is. So this is by Aqualabo, I don't know, it's $15. It says this boosting jelly mist, after applying it under a sheet mask. Okay, so it's like an essence. Helps you balance a pH 5.5 of your skin and also keeps the hydration. This mist will absorb the nutrition, strengthen skin barrier, and okay. So what this is, okay, it says how to use, spray the boosting jelly mist on your face before putting any type of sheet mask. And that's just like kind of what an essence is. So let's see what how it feels on the hand. And so that's exactly what it is. You would of course wash your face. Anytime you do any kind of mask, and a sheet mask, you wash your face, you cleanse it. You also use a toner because you want to get that residue off. That sometimes when you wash your face, it's kind of on your skin. You may not feel it, but I personally think there has to be some kind of residue. So you get a toner and you put the toner on to kind of clear your skin of all the residue. And then it's saying you'd go in with this, you would spray. That's kind of what an essence is. And then you would put on your mask. Okay, so let's see. All right. All right, so let me show you up closer what it looks like. So it's like gel, which usually everything else that I've used is kind of like water. So, but when you shake it, you can hear it feels like water. So let's see. Okay, it's not really spraying. Let's see if it's clogged, because since it's like not water, it might be clogged. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, because it's so thick, it's not like water. I don't know if you guys can actually see it spray. Can you see that mist? And you see after a while, it will get clogged again. So you would just have to keep opening up or shake it. And that's kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see like the water droppings. And let's see, I put a lot on because I just wanted to show you guys so you guys can see. And that's, you know, it's just like kind of like an essence, you know, and it's more like hydrating, like what it says, and that's good. So then when you put the mask on, I'm definitely excited for that. I've never seen anything like this, and I am so excited to try that. Did I tell you the price? $15. All right, I'll definitely, guys, keep you updated on that. Okay, here is little notes, lots of love. Oh, that's so nice. All right. Then we have from Millville NJ. This is a face tone sealer. Hashtag face tone sealer. And let's see. All right, so this would be $15. And it's more like, it's kind of like let's see, a color corrector. So let's see. So it looks like this. K-Beauty packaging is always, I don't know if you guys can see, it's always so pretty. It's like cutesy. Is that a word, cutesy? All right, so it comes with a mirror. All right, and so that's what it looks like, if you guys can see. So it has a white, green, purple, and yellow. Usually the green is for redness. The purple is kind of brighten it up. Oh, it tells you right here. So yellow conceals purple tones and dark circles. So yellow or orange, depending on what your skin complexion is. If you're medium to darker, this really may not work too well. You want to kind of go in with like an orange. I usually use the peach. I've never tried a yellow, so we will definitely see. The green conceals redness, which is true. Let's see. Somebody's calling me. Let me end that. Okay, purple conceals like yellow. So that's kind of like if you want to brighten up your face a little bit. And the white conceals fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I never used white, so I don't know how that conceal fine lines, but I'll definitely try it. Maybe because the white with K-Beauty, a lot of times they like a lot of light shades. If you ever notice, the foundation is always a lot lighter than their skin tone. So I don't know. I'll definitely try it and keep you guys updated. All right. Let's see. So you also get a card every month. You always get a card, and you're supposed to keep these and collect them. And then when you can get a full deck, you can kind of like use them for playing cards. And last but not least is from the same brand, Millville NJ, and this is a blush, which I really like blush. A lot of times these K-Beauty products, a lot of it's cream. You don't really tend to get a lot of powder because they're more like natural. Makeup, okay, so this would be $12. It says a vibrant velvety cream blusher that brightens the cheeks as those of a shy girl. Let me read that again. A vibrant velvety creamer blusher that brightens the cheeks as those of a shy girl. Well, I guess they must talk differently because in America, you wouldn't be able to write something like that. But I guess it must be where it would make you look like you're blushing, you know, like embarrassed. Maybe that's what they mean. I don't know. But okay, let me just move on. The blush has a creamy texture that turns into powder. Okay, so it is a cream and it comes in 3 variations. I can't get this thing open. It comes in pink, coral, or rose. Let's see what I got. What did I get? A vibrant cream that, okay, let's see. Doesn't say on here. Let's see if the packaging says on here. All right, this must be a rose maybe because of the color of this. Does it say on here? No, it doesn't. It just said made in Korea and everything is in Korean. So, all right. So I just hit it. It didn't come like that. I hit it with this right there. So this says it's a cream to powder. Let's see. I do like this color a lot, actually. Let's swatch it. Make it a little deeper so that you can see. So that's what it looks like. I don't wear a lot of cream. Oh, but it blends like a dream, if you guys can see. I'll definitely use this. I don't usually use cream blushes, but I'll definitely try it. So that's everything in the JOAH box. Let me know what you think. I am most excited for this, really, because I've never seen anything like that. I do like also the color correct. I actually like everything. There's not one thing in here that I'm like, I'm really excited for. I like the fact that they give you this plus the sheet mask to try. But every month since I've been getting this box, I do get this free for review every month. You always get a sheet mask because K-Beauty products usually always have sheet masks in them or some type of mask. So yeah, so that's everything. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you get it? Do you like it? What was your favorite thing about it? Have you ever seen anything like this? Let me know. And that's everything. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, I am wearing purple, as you can see, and I'm wearing these 2 palettes here. And this is the ColourPop My Pleasure palette. It's my pleasure. And I'll show you what that looks like. I really like this thing. It's only $12. I mean, I wouldn't pay like a whole bunch of money, but for $12, it's not bad for the price point. And this Huda Beauty, I believe this is $27. Comes with a mirror. It has its hits and misses with these colors, but I do like it. And I like the size of it that you could take it with you for touch-ups. You could put it in your purse. I don't know. I'm babbling. But that's everything, guys. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway still going on. It ends March 10th. I am close to 30,000. If we hit 30,000, we will have 3 winners. Right now, it's 2 winners. So make sure you share that giveaway video so we get up to that 30,000. I will leave it down below if you want to check the video out and see what you can be, that you will win. And that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here. And, make sure you like this video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.